everyone, welcome back to our course. This is Teacher Kazi again, as always, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you about linking sound. What do we mean by linking sounds? Linking sounds. In natural speech, words often flow together when they sound like one. This happens when one word ends in a consonant sound and the next word starts with the same consonant sound. For example, in the phrase hot tea, the word hot ends in the consonant sound t, and the word tea starts with exactly the same consonant sound t. When we use this phrase in a sentence, the two t sounds join together and become one. This is a natural feature of connected speech and allows us to speak faster and more fluently. How about we try an example? Nice ant. The adjective nice ends in an s, and ant starts with a vowel up. When we say these two words together, what we say is nice ant. The sup from nice joins with the next word ant and become ant. Repeat after me. Nice ant. You see? So the consonant sup joins with the following vowel in the next word, and this is what we meant by linking sound. Okay guys, now we will review some of these sentences, okay? And sit back, relax, and test how well you've understood from the previous lessons. Now we will practice for linking sounds, okay? Here we go. Redress. You hear that? Redress. Bigorilla. Bigorilla. Hot tomato. Hot tomato. Feel lucky. Feel lucky. Quietown. Quietown. Pink car. Pink car. Nice scarf. Nice scarf. Need to. Need to. Sleep better. Sleep better. Dark gray. Dark gray. Cheese sandwich. Cheese sandwich. Breathe through. Breathe through. 2 apples. 2 apples. He asked. He asked. Go out. Go out. Sienna. Sienna.